Greetings, welcome to Stuff. We're back with Satisfactory. We're doing a bunch of random stuff. I don't really actually have a solid plan for today. So, yeah, let's go to our ad spot and then we'll jump right in, shall we? Bricker Print's a place for custom stickers and custom 3D printer parts. If you like what I do, you'll definitely like what he does. He does custom stickers for my mocks and a lot of other cars mocks. So check him out. www.brickerprints.com. Take a look around. It's promise for me. And yeah, new to the store is new stickers, and there's actually new stickers for some new stuff I've been uploading to rebrickable. So enjoy that, and let's go on over to Satisfactory, shall we? Alright, before we begin, as is tradition, tradition I'm just making up just now. Drink some coffee. A little sip of the coffee. A little jump start. Alright. So, okay. In good news, I have spent the last 2 days, whatever time in between this stream and last stream, I have actually gotten all the Mercer spheres that we needed to. And I have researched everything that we needed to for the Mercer spheres. I was like almost like 80 something Mercer spheres I had to hunt around for, so yeah, I've been around on the map like a lot, as you can see by my running around here. It took like 5 or 6 hours in total, like hunt down all the Mercer spheres I needed, so that was fun. Anyways, so now that we have that kind of out of the way, we can actually start hooking up stuff to the like we can start making like a bunch of dimensional depots now for like every material that we want, and that way we can build anything we want so easily. Okay, did you just offload a bunch of hey, there's more of that. Probably should actually just get rid of this. Honesty, like load all of it in, don't waste any of it. We don't really need the grinder thingy anymore. You can keep it mostly for just grinding away materials we don't necessarily need anymore. Yeah. Do I even have anything on me that I just don't really need anymore? Not that I know of. Probably have something stuck away. Oh yeah, I do have something stuck away in my my dimensional inventory. So like here, you can just take this coal and remove it from your self. Okay, though, this quick wire and everything we should do back at the main base, but we do have electronics here. We do have a good manufacturer for heavy frames, and I think a good manufacturer for the oscillating stuff. So, in that case, I'm going to start throwing down dimensional depots. Onto everything. Hold on. Yeah, let's go right there. And right there. This is computers, yes, okay. Logistics conveyor belt Mark III. Load that into that one. This is circuit boards. Go ahead and just drop that into there. And now there's a bunch of items now going into there. We need stuff up top too. I have to put some platforms real quick. So what's up top here? Oh. Nothing there. High-speed connectors. High-speed connectors. Oh yeah, we need to do rifle ammo stuff. That's right. Yep. Make squeeze me. There are too many. There are actually too many computers. Okay. That's not something I would have thought I would have. Oh, this is also flooded full too. Hmm. Yeah, this is. It's all waiting on cabling for here. Interesting. So, guess we need a way to get. Okay, let's get rid of you real quick. Hold on. Let's get rid of you. Kinda need a way to, like, dump computers a little bit. Because for some reason we have just, like, way too many. Special, let's do an awesome sink over here. Yeah, we can't. We definitely can't fit one there. Okay. Let's place this. I don't know. Maybe about there. Let's see. I think the best way to do this would be to have a smart splitter. I don't want to fall in the water, please. Thank you. I don't think computers go along the bottom. No, they definitely do not. Okay, so logistics. Need a smart splitter. So, any undefined, and then to the right output, you should just put computers. So that'll go there. And then merger. Put like a merger over here. Because basically want to yeah, we want to have it. If I put a splitter here, that should take about half the computers that we need. Come on. There we go. I should take about half the computers that we need and just trash them, basically. Alright, then we can go ahead and pull this over. Do. Three across. There. Now we just need to add power to this bad boy right here. Honestly, we can just take from there. Alright. So that should help thin down the computers that flow through here. Again, I think we'll do a simple storage unit here. Sticks, merger, Mark III. There we go. So that we can also just dump stuff into here. Trying to keep things free and clear. Where's my truck at? It's Explorer. Oh yeah, my truck isn't here. That's right. Okay. Really have a very free inventory. We'll just do this a few times. We have so many computers. offload my computers. It looks like I need to do the same with the cabling as well. There we go. Okay, that should help things a little bit. Okay. So computers are dealt with. I need oh, cable's not clogged anymore. Oh wow, look at all those circuit boards coming out now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, when this depot gets enough quick wire, it really gets enough quick wire. Actually, let's see. There's nothing important here that we need, right? No, I don't think so. Yeah, limiters. I could pull some quick wire out of my bow here, because I know I have quite a bit in here. Here, you want quick wire? Here's more quick wire than you could ever probably use in your life. Same with you over here, buddy. Take just absolute mountain loads of quick wire. Question, is our system up here using the quick wire well? Like, is it producing? I think I just need to catch the train and have it wait until it's fully loaded. Yes. Are we not backing anything up, right? Yeah, quickfire is really going in there. Almost feels like we need to just shove even more quickfire into here. Is it just being limited by? It's tier 4. Yeah, I think it's just being almost limited by the material itself. Like the conveyors. What is this producing? Oh, this is producing case industrial beam. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? We can make good use of you. Here, have a dimensional depot. Way I can access that anytime I want to. Also, this steel over here can also have a dimensional depot. That means we have an unlimited amount of steel now. I need to put some foundations here. Organization, dimensional depot. Yeah, we're just gonna be spazzing out these dimensional depots everywhere. Here we go, oscillators going in. Means we should also probably throw our oscillators in through here. Just offload. We can kind of almost basically empty our inventory of stuff and mostly just rely on whatever's in here. Okay, there's heavy frames. You also should get a dimensional depot. If I can. Oh. Need those modular frames, but I threw them all into there. That's fine, we can just swipe this. Okay, and I need a dimensional depot over there. There we go. Now we're offloading materials into dimensional depots. So yeah, our this should start kind of filling up now. Is sweet. Concrete. We do have a concrete plant somewhere around here. It's over here. Yeah, right here it is. Nice slap a dimensional depot down right here. Sure. There we go. Now we have unlimited concrete. See that cable going through there. Should probably not hog off of that cable. Oh yeah, there's a lot there. Hello, excuse me, I need to manage you real quick. Material manufacturing? Is that where you're at right now? Okay. Material manufacturing. No, material processing. Material pickup. Edit timetable. Material pickup. Till freight wagon is fully loaded. Save. Save changes. Okay. There we go. So yeah, it's not picking up all the materials, it looks like. But now it should, and I kinda... cable is being eaten up, which is good. Eat up all that cable. There's a ton here. Okay, don't mind, I'll just slap down a dimensional depot. Right here. Okay, there we go. That's now eating up cable. There. Which I should just take a bunch of this cable, honestly. Just dump it over here. Here, take all that, please. Thank you. Take more items from my inventory that I don't really need anymore. Just any old random junk I have. Oh, you're full on steel beam. Okay. Okay, so that's good. Here, take more of that. Quick wire, lots of quick wires feeding through now. That's good. That's what the system needs, is much more quick wire feeding through. Especially so we have a lot more circuit boards getting filtered through. I don't think this thing has an excess of circuit boards. No, definitely not. I could give it an excess of circuit board. There we go. Yeah, there, now that one has an excess. That one has an excess. Where does it come out of? It comes out of this one. I should also give this one right here specifically excess. And I'm just gonna give one of these machines here a bunch that I can refilter back to the system. There. I could give each of these some summer sloop. It's 8.75 per minute. I could double its output. I don't think it would be such a bad thing. Yeah, we'll do that. 2 out of 2. I don't think we need to... We need to do 2 out of 2. Cancel. first one. Oh, but we can like double the multiplier. Ah, okay. 17.5. I see. Well, I mean, it was right there for my face the first time. But like, I just somehow magically definitely need to go find more summers. Anything in particular? Not really. It just gives me double the output of circuit boards without even trying. There we go. 8 and 8 is not even enough for all those if I wanted to like double the output of those. So yeah, this produces like much more circuit boards now. There it goes. I'm wondering, map. Yeah, no, I don't have a. The only source of cadmium I have is up top there. Require. Yep. Cable system is definitely full. Like, mostly because this entire system is not getting enough quick wire. That is literally the biggest issue. What is that? It's more cable being filtered through. Maybe I should, actually, should I put a choke? No, I don't think I should put that much of a choke on cabling. Probably should definitely run a dimensional depot though. Organization. I need a foundation coming off of like here. Organization dimensional depot. No, it's not happy. Okay, fine. We'll give you a full foundation. Foundation dimensional depot. Overlapping other objects. Okay. It is. Oh, it is like angry. It is really upset. Jeez, okay. Okay, maybe that doesn't work out like I would have hoped. Did I just stick it up top here? Maybe I'll stick it up top. So we have cabling and stuff back home. Quick wire and stuff. Just trying to think of like where I should take stuff off of. This stuff just needs like absolute mountain loads of quick wire. It's kind of its biggest issue. Okay, is there a bunch more quick wire? How much quick wire is flooding into the system? Good amount. This cable I can take out of here. Like, feed the monster all of the cable, because we were having quick wire problems before. Now we're having problems with cable. Okay. That should kind of help deal with it. And over here, logistics, organization, dimensional depots on each of these. Missing wire 100. Oh. I thought you could pull... Oh. Don't really have wire 100. Even in my dimensional depot, I do not have wire 100. Okay. I see. That definitely is a problem. Alright, let's go up top and just steal some wire from somewhere. I'm sure we have. So that should be no problem whatsoever. Are we researching anything? Oh, hard drive scan. Okay, cool. Hey, limiters. Rubber and quartz? That's a weird one. Diluted package fuel? Oh, you can dilute it. Wow. I guess select that reward then. Alright, keep scanning hard drives. Load train. Okay, cable. I have wire going in over here. I think it's a 1-to-1 ratio though. It's not having like an overflood. This, on the other hand, I believe is. Yes. Okay, so, oh, here's wire. Okay, so this is having like kind of like an overflood of cable. Wait, why isn't this thing getting any ingots? Oh, this, no, it is getting ingots because it goes, yeah, okay, never mind. Oh, we can't build that over here though too much because we have the nitrogen stuff. Trying to look. There's someplace else where I could feed quick wire into. Not really. Is this starting to be? Is this system starting to be over encumbered by? Oh, yep, it is. Just a little bit, yeah. So it needs to grind off some of these ingots. And we have right here. What is this? Yeah, this is just filtering that. Okay. This kind of looks ugly, but it's to like off filter some of this excess. There we go. Some of the excess quick wire or Caterham ingots. Get rid of some of that. Okay, so that should unclog some stuff. Oop. Alright, hold on a second. I turn the door. Do something. I think. Yeah, okay. It's just the wind. Literally. Blew it. There's the bathroom outside. This bedroom space that I'm in. And there's a window we often keep open in there. And I guess it just blew the door closed in there. Kind of spooked me a little bit. An actual certified must have been the wind moment because it was actually just the wind. Okay, there's a lot of quick wire being fed into things. That is good. Yeah, I think I just mainly need to come back here with, wow, look at that. Could like get off gas that purple. That's kind of cool. Anyway, actually, yeah, there's some stuff we need to do here. So, we need to take the sulfur that we've been getting, and we need to take coal, and we need to make it into powder. These stuff, yes. We need to filter it into the first one. I mean, the second one. So, basically eating all the sulfur here. Question is, do I have space for something? Hey, doggo. You're choking on a hairball again, I know. Not choking on a hairball, but like a hairball in the old oxygen tanks. Oh, that is not as far over as I thought it would. Whoopsie. There. Now it should go up just fine. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now that we got this sulfur, where do we even drag it to? Because we need space, and I don't really have space, and I gotta put something somewhere. Okay, maybe this will kind of work. Production, assembler. Okay, so this works here. There we go. Okay, so we got sulfur coming in. We want to make black powder, so that should just, yeah, coal and sulfur. Where is one of my coal lines at? Yeah, you're grinding up. You're grinding up. But I had a coal line going more in here. Is it only going to the back here? It's only going to the back here. Okay. You take that up top. Could I steal some from just right there? Looks almost like I could. Oh, I can. There we go. Okay, so now we have our coal line. Try and just weed this through. Go. A little bit of power. Okay, so we're making black powder now. Gotta go. Okay, now we need to figure out how to filter this down below. Yeah. Oh, hey, we already have 20 coupons. That's cool. So this isn't getting too much sulfur, I know that. Because I think we also choked the sulfur a little bit. Anyways. Don't really need a ton of smokeless, or ton of black powder. Can change it into smokeless powder. Logistics Mark 3. too far down. I need to go here. Okay. Doing a weird little drop down waterfall to get down here. Okay, so we need to input stuff here. I think we're getting the maximum flow rate for going through there. Oh, there's nothing else that should be actually coming out of here, technically. There we go, there's a little black powder. Sulfur. Oh, hey, the MAM research is complete. Cool. Where is my train at? My train is making its way over to the sulfur node. And bolted frame? Petroleum coke. Steel and concrete to make molded beams. Interesting. Alright, we'll take that then. Scan the next hard drive. Yep, the train's up there. So now there should be smokeless powder, or black powder, sorry, going into here. That should be producing, hopefully well enough. Yeah, we're grinding some off, some of it we're also not. Here comes the train. What's this? Okay, this is just like nothing in here. This is still jam-packed to cater, but I think we're unpacking it slowly. Okay, good, good, good. I do want to inspect this train, though, once it unloads its goodies. That just fully took that container. Okay. What is still in here? Oh! Oh no! That's not what I wanted to happen. Okay, that's a problem. I guess since we're here, though, oh no, the Mercer's fuse and stuff were on my dead body. Okay. Alright, well, I guess I need to go back then. I have no choice but to go back. Actually, you know what? Where's... Don't I have a storage over here for quick-wire? We do not. Cable wire, rotor steel. I don't have a storage over here for quick-wire. Okay. Well, in that case... Go load myself up on some quick wire real quick, shall we? Do I have storage over here for quick wire at all? Oh, I never I need to go grab some turbo fuel because I didn't do that. Apparently. I definitely need turbo fuel for moving around. Whoop. Okay. Alright, give me a little bit of this, please. Thank you. Now I can actually move around. Quick wire is filtering out. Do we not have like a storage unit thing coming from over this direct? Oh yeah, we do. Never mind. It's just back here. probably should take more explosives while I can, because I don't have any explosives in my inventory. Yeah, quick wire's down here. Like there's a gob ton of it down here. Alright, that should be good enough for like all my machines over there. To be happy and satisfied with for a while. Then all I gotta do is make up the munitions facility. Yeah, that's the last bit, I think, for over here. And of course, add a dimensional depot to it. Actually, no, we already have the dimensional depot. It's just filtering it back over. And then I have unlimited easy ammo to grab from, no matter where I am in the map. That's kind of the whole point of doing this with all these dimensional depots, and why I spent hours and hours running around for the Mercer Spheres, is because just being able to grab what I need from here is kind of really good. So I would like to continue to be able to do something like that. And being able to have whatever I need at my fingertips for constructing or literally doing whatever. It's very valuable. I'll probably need more Mercer Spheres as we continue our research and everything else. Just as more items come up that I need access to. But for the most part, should be pretty good. Yes, yes, I know you're angry. Little spitter thing. The question now, is my death crate on the train? Or is it just kind of sitting there in the depot? I hope it's just kind of sitting there in the depot and I don't have to try and catch a train for it. I also want to inspect to make sure that train's mostly empty. That it's not being like clogged with materials. That's kind of important as well. There's a train as we speak of it right now. Let's try and inspect it without getting smooshed. That would kind of be nice. Oh, there's my death crate. You're pulling forward. All right, I would like to inspect you, please. Okay, so you're just loaded with copper still. So I probably want to make sure that you stay at this point until you're unloaded. More or less. Here, hold on, hold on, hold on. Q. Okay, so what's the first one? Material manufacturing. All right. Material manufacturing. Freight wagons, flight, unloaded, unloaded. Save. Okay, there we go. There, that should make a difference, hopefully. Alright. I have a bunch of quick wire on me. Let's go feed that into everything down here that needs quick wire, which is most of these electronics machines. I think I've unclogged the cable. Alright, here's more quick wire than you could ever dream of in your life. How about you also have more quick wire than you could ever dream of in your life? Hey, do you want quick wire? How about you? Do you also want quick wire? Okay, so they are kind of filling up slowly, it looks like. That's good. Here, more quick wire than you could ever dream of in your life. Oh, how about a little bit more quick wire than you could ever dream of in your life? How about just gob tons of quick wire? Good sirs of this manufactory over here, do you also need gob tons of quick wire in your life? How about a little more quick wire? And a little more quick wire. And a little more quick wire. Oh, this uses 56 per minute. That's kind of unholy amounts of quick wire. Is it quick wire on this side? Yes, it is. Okay. Here, take the rest of that quick wire and do stuff with it. There, now that should just chew through cable because it's chewing through quick wire. Yeah, the system is good now. Looks like it's slowly getting backed up. So hopefully now that it's just jamming through a bunch of the materials that I filtered into it, it'll be happy. Alright, there we go. Cool. Alright. So, oh. Back around we go. Alright, what do we got here now? Bolted frame. We don't really want that. Fine concrete. Really, I can make iron wire. Sure. I would like quick wire cable. It would be a great one for me. I don't know why I haven't gotten that recipe yet. That would be a great recipe to have for quick wire cable. It would just, it would deal with like so much of the stuff that I need. Especially for like a lot of electronics recipes that I have. Being able to just use a lot of the quick wire would be fantastic. Really? You haven't loaded yet? This side hasn't been loaded yet with the question then. Where did the hey, why do you have? That's weird. That went into any undefined. It's clearly defined. One thing though, there's no black powder here. Excuse me. There was supposed to be black powder that was ending up down here that I could use for munitions. Where is it? Oh, wait. No, that's going for some... Okay, yeah. No, I gotta catch my train. Because I have a filter applied there. It's not being dropped off there. Is it being dropped off someplace else? Nope, it's still on this train. Along with a lot of other stuff. Okay. Alright. So, we need to edit timetable. Mushroom factory. Okay, add item. We want you to drop off black powder. Save. Alright. So now, oop, get back on my train here. Thank you. Now it should drop off the black powder. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Did it just drop off black powder into the material manufactory? Oops. No. Wait a second. Oh, why is this all okay, hold on. Up. Yeah, go that way. Is it prefer the top one or the bottom one? Okay, no, I don't see any black powder stuff here. Okay, don't know then. Strange. There we go. I wonder if it preferences the bottom one over the top one. Not sure, actually. Okay, but this should... You should be doing stuff right now, right? You should be making black powder? Yes, you're making black powder. Good. Better. Ah. It's getting picked up here. Okay, so I need to... Oop, not that. Yeah, I can't edit the timetable here. I have to go track down my train, which down at that station right now, he's going to be leaving up towards that facility. Because I got to add a filter to any drop. It'd be all my drop-off points? No. It'd be any unloading points or loading points. Okay, we'll have to add some filters around, make sure that he doesn't drop stuff off in random places that don't need materials. This is load only. Yeah, it would just be any unload section, and the only unload sections we have are that one and that one. So yeah, we gotta make sure that we're not, Actually, no, wait. That was a loading section I just took from, right? I'm being dumb, aren't I? I'm not thinking things through. That was a loading area that I just took that from that I'm panicking about. There's no need to panic about that. Nope. I don't know my own systems anymore. I think that's probably the truth of it. Ow. I just tooth really hard with like the glass of cup my coffee is in. That's a good way to chip a tooth. I'd rather not have any emergency dental appointments needed. Yeah. I don't think it did anything to my tooth. That was kind of a hard hit. Okay. Question. We're not getting... no. Black powder isn't getting unloaded here. Why? Yeah, it's on unload. I gotta wait for my train to come around. I gotta figure this out. I need to know why something is not doing what it should. You know what? We might build another platform back there. I guess let's go ahead and do that for now while we wait for our train to come around. Okay, I don't want to mess with that big ball of angry. I think I'd rather not. I despise those things so much. Those spawner ball things that open up. Just so aggressive. Customizer, blueprints. I do have to go over there though, in order to kind of place down some stuff. Don't open up, please. I hear the guy above me is angry. Yes? Hi there. Is the train here yet? No, the train's still up above. Nope, he is shooting at me right now. That's the wrong thing. There we go. Zoop. Zoop. And... the train is running around. Excuse me. Very angry about me being here. Nope, there you got me. Okay, so I would like to technically get rid of that little ball of angry stuff. I need to just, oh buddy. Yeah. Yeah, I took care of that. Oh, these guys are coming after me now. I need to run away, and I need to go check on my train. Yeah, why are you not unloading? You should be unloading here. Why? Hello? You have 134. Wait, why are you not unloading? Factory. Yes, you. Load only. Oh, did I not save it? Black powder. Save. Save changes. Edit timetable. Mushroom factory. Yeah, black powder is there now. Save. Save changes. Okay, now you should unload. I gotta go back. There's a lot of cats somewhere. Either above me or below me. They are below me. Okay. Okay, now he should be dropping off the black powder stuff. Whoop. And gotta go. So we'll have to filter getting a bunch of these. Oh yeah, we're getting a bunch of high-speed connectors. Good. Is this not connected? No, it's not connected. There, that's not helping anything. There we go. Now we got high-speed connectors going and filtering in. Hi there, you angry ball. Ouchies. Ah, this will probably do good. Snap to a foundation or similar? Oh, you need these to be snapped to a foundation? Ah, okay. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. You're gonna like this, okay? Trust me. Wait. Did you just like stand on top of this foundation up here? Oh, yep. You almost did it. You almost did it. Come on. A little further forward. There we go. Ouchies. What am I missing? Oh, you're in the way. Yes, yes. No, come over here. Come over here. Hi there. Hi. Hey, buddy.
No, that's not the way to get up here. No, you want to come in here. Come in here. No, come back here. Come on. Go. Not making things easy up here, bud. Come on. Around the wall. Oh. No, you almost did it. No. Ah, dang it. I think you just need a little bit more room. I think that's what you're telling me, because you want a little more space to run around in. I am going to die. Hold on. Hold on, I'll be back. Need to quickly go eat some mushrooms. Because I would not like to take the giant walk of shame to get back over here. Hi there. Run away! Like all of you. Drop this over here. Eat a few of these. There we go. Hey, good sir. Oh, hi. Oh, come on. Around the corner. Do I need to give you a ramp? Ouch. Oh, you're making it... Oi. There, I gave you a ramp. Pathfind. There you go, buddy. See, it wasn't that hard. See, it wasn't that hard at all, buddy. Hi. Ow. Oh, see, it wasn't that hard at all. He's just a little upset. Don't worry, buddy. We'll give you a nice place to live here. You know? Oh, that's not what I. Don't do that, please. Here, see? Now you even got a rooftop to hide under, so you have shade. See? There you go. All right, he's our good little buddy. There you go. You have nice home now. Enjoy. He is our favorite little pet, and he will be our favorite little pet forever. Because now he has a nice, safe little home where he won't bother me, and he will be nice and sheltered from any extreme weather events. Yeah, he will be our happy little buddy, our happy little squishy. You know what? You know what? Organization. Okay, is this upside down? Nope. Okay, sweet. Select icon. Other. No. Monochrome. Dang it, there's nothing for monsters, creatures. Ah, okay, sucks. Background icon, yeah, there's none. For the monsters, huh, okay. We have one for dog friend, but we don't want to have one for spitter friend? That makes me sad. Okay, so let's just do that, and then let's just squish there. There, just squishy in his home. Come on, place that there. Oh, why is it so hard? There we go. Go. Yeah, I just need to filter out this platform real quick. It shouldn't be hard to run very well over here, and probably back as well, because we'll be using the systems that we normally use. Zoop mode, please. Thank you. Down you go. Zoop mode. Down you go. There you go. Perfect. Not what I wanted. Wanted this. Okay. Don't need zoom mode, just need default. I need to blow some stuff up over here as well. Don't have to tell me twice. Woo! There we go. Cleared that out. Nope, I fell off. Soup mode across to there. Zoop mode across to there. And then lastly default there. Sweet. Yep. Across there, across there. Zoop across there, zoop across there. That's not what I wanted. Anyways, now that we got all this into order, we can go ahead and start planning out the munitions facility. Like, because we don't need to produce like a lot of munitions really fast, mostly because I don't really use that many munitions. But it is nice. Okay. So we do want to create smokeless powder. Need heavy oil residue. Okay. Okay, so we can just make heavy oil residue, or we can make rubber, which has the 20 per minute. I don't think I need that much heavy oil residue. 40 per minute. 10 per minute. That just creates a bunch of plastics, which I guess we could just feed into our plastics, so we could have more plastics for our plastics. Plastic. This needs crude oil, though. Oh, it probably all needs crude oil, doesn't it? Okay. That means we'd have to take a pipe off of our crude oil systems and run it over here. Oh. It's kind of undesirable. Okay, are you going to unload, actually, now? Because the filter should be set up. Oh, I thought I saw it move. There it goes. Yep, finally. We're unloading black powder over here. And now, annoyingly, I need to go fetch crude oil. I'm gonna have to put a bunch of these wall supports everywhere. Ignore the noise for the moment. Sorry about the noise. Okay, that's there. We only have like 2 more that we need to place. That one. And that one. Actually, we probably need to place 1 more. That one there. Alright. That should be good to go for our oil pipeline. Squishy, are you enjoying your little shelter? Yes. Okay, so we need a wall mount thingy over here now. And lastly, there. Is this even really like pumping? Only 120, which which I think is being fully consumed by these two. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, well, I guess, Mark 1 pipelines, here we go. Whee! Oh, noisy. Whoop, okay. I can land. There we go. Okay, so that'll bring crude oil over to here. Hey, squishy. And then I just need to add junctions here. A pipeline there. Cross it there. Junction right about there. Okay. So that's all joined together now. Cool. I just need to join these together. And I might have to give a gentle turbo to this system. Because I don't, yeah, it doesn't, it would, we'll see, we'll see. I might have to give this a gentle turbo. Well, that should start filling out oil through here. Slowly but surely. Alright, so yeah, you need the plastics. Alright, now... Where's the alignment of this? Right there. Okay, I have a feeling this is going to be annoyingly hard to get that to be aligned as possible. Okay, crude oil is flowing. Good. Hey, we got the alignment. We need power over here. I really need to do how I have it everywhere else. Where it's just lower points going across. And then we have like one power pole or something, and that's good. Okay, power to there, power up to, come on, there we go. Okay, power from you to there. Does this need anything? No, it just needs crude oil. And we can pipe this out and around. That's kind of the middle. Yeah, looks like I need to pipe it kind of back further. Give some space for the layers. Alright, so, it doesn't look like it's really getting oil. It's fine, we can just do that. Power pole, down to you. You not pumping oil? Maybe you need to put like, oh, nope, there he goes. Took it a second. Doesn't need a strong flow since we're only got one machine going. How much crude oil do you need? 30. You good? You should be receiving crude oil. We have a pump. There it goes. Just taking its sweet time. Are you good now? Yeah, you're running now. Okay, cool. Question, though. How is that affecting stuff that's going on over here? Oh, yeah, it's already affecting it. Oh, I just saw that. I literally just saw that. These are now not receiving the amount of crude oil that they need. Do I have turbo on me? Of the slugs. I do not have a turbo. That's okay. We can craft ourselves a turbo. That's the researcher. I need a crafting bench. Turbo. Let's go ahead and just use one of the big ones. Oop, there we go. Alright. Oh, you've already been turboed. Alright, well. There you go. Even more of a turbo. 150. That's actually perfect. It's exactly what I needed. Yeah, let's do Mark II pump, actually. Nope, wrong way. That should feed the system very well. There we go. There we go. Perfect. That actually worked out exceptionally well, because the 30 crude oil that we need is exactly the 30 crude oil that we need down here. All right, now the fun part is start running conveyors around for all our materials. All right, so first off, run all this conveyor over here. There's gonna be some pasting and then like splicing as we try and route it around here. You're about Mark III. You do not want to connect there. Come on. Grab on. Thank you. Can you detect that line over there? That is a negatory. More like that. Okay, hopefully now that's close enough that the splitter will see it. No, it will not. Dang it. I have to like... Okay, if I ran this over to here. Is that straight? I think that's straight. Now will the splitter detect it? That is still negatory. Okay. I just need to do my best. That's not what I want. Okay, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Get to line up. Right about there. Get rid of that. We don't need that conveyor anymore. We just need that to take the corner. To there. Perfect. Okay. You come across here. You output this direction. Actually, wait, no, that's kind of the wrong way to do that. Should have done it up above. It wants to connect there because that's still there. I am struggling today for no apparent reason besides that I just am struggling today. sweet. There we go. Smokeless powder. It's on its way over. Oh, is the power lines up front? Power lines are up front. I'll take this power line. Bring it straight up front there. Yep, there they are. Okay, so now this should be producing 20 smokeless powder per minute. Okay, now the fun part. We need assembler, then assembler. I think I can put assembler right here. I could put another assembler right about there. You need to make the first step, which is just regular old rifle ammo, which needs the copper sheets. Sticks Mark III. And we need to take this around. Oh, that's like just not straight. Alright. Okay, so there's smokeless powder. Where's the power line? Oh, power line's on this side now. It's like flip-flopping all over the place. Okay, so there's that. We need copper sheets now. Which we can get right here. Right there, actually. And the fun part. How do we get that down? we need that to come down. Okay, so let's grab the bottom one. Literally close as we can get it. I might just want to run just foundations. Just temporarily. The way I can kind of get things routed first. No, we probably want it routed on this side. Yeah, okay. Now we can run the conveyor around. Good, that looks good so far. It's not like running all on top of the track, is it? I don't think it is. Okay, that goes there, that goes there. I think we're good so far. Free conveyor, come across here. A copper sheet. Go, Mark III across. Okay, now we can get rid of this. All of that. It is floating a bit. Cover sheets come down here. We want to bring this kind of out here. Right, yeah, close enough to there. More or less, we can just run around there. Alright, so now this will be making rifle ammo. 75 per minute. We want this to make homing rifle ammo. 50 per minute. So that'll be producing over. So the efficiency isn't huge. Yeah, then we just need high-speed connectors. And we will have homing rifle ammo that we can then take back to there and deal with. Okay. Now the fun part is routing a lot of conveyors around. Getting all the conveyor networks mapped out, especially in like a somewhat neat and tidy order. Definitely not easy. Okay. Yeah, you are feeding basically all your high-speed connectors into here. Are we still producing high-speed connectors? Looks like they're... What are you needing for materials? What are you out of? That is a question. Probably quick-wire. That took all of 2 seconds. Yeah, I do need to feed my quick-wire into a depot thing, so I can just manually feed that system until it gets to the point where it can just kind of take over for itself. Okay, let's put 2 foundations. Nope, probably more than 2 foundations. Oh. Alright. That, go. Oh, come on. There we go. That side of things. Conveyor, come around. Okay, and then this comes around here. No, do not connect into that. Why? Okay, you just want to go straight into that. Fine. Do what you want to do. See if I care. I do kind of care, though. This is kind of annoying me that it's angled like that. Get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you. I think we'll just have the dimensional depot just kind of floating. And this direction, I need to take high-speed connectors. That conveyor is going to be squished underneath there. Not very nice looking per se, but at least it gets the job done. Okay, for you, I definitely need to have you kind of go off to the side here. So you're going to bring in the high-speed connectors. Alright, there we go. Okay, that's high-speed connectors going that direction. Okay. Yeah, this conveyor belt stacking doesn't look very good at all. Okay, and then now we need to route this one back this way. Wish you could also pull from dimensional depots, especially if you add like a filter to your system. Alright, so I need to bring this over there. that merger, honestly. Kind of where I need to take it. Okay, let's take that up there. Go up a little bit. Oh, there's a dimensional depot there in the way. That doesn't look actually like it's too bad. That's just on the same plane too. Okay, and that'll filter that back in, which has munitions here. So I think I'm just gonna stack a dimensional depot right here on top of here. There we go. Yeah, homing rifle ammo. So now, whenever we have our system set up, it'll go ahead and just output homing rifle ammo to there. There goes a ton of circuit boards. Okay, so that's all going. We just need to filter a quick wire here. It's the biggest thing. One piece of quick wire. It's full of plastics. No problem. I think more or less we are kind of done here for the moment. I need to go back to main base and start hooking up all the other materials to dimensional depots. And also work on the space parts, because we have not touched the space parts yet. How far are we into the stream? An hour and a half? Yeah, okay, so I need to go back up, start working on some of the other management stuff. Alright, let's go. Then we can come back here at a little bit later point and filter in some of the quick wire that we have just stocking up. It's nice that we have that. I'm thinking about like the recipes, like the iron wire, because we can do electronics with, like, make cable like really easily from just iron. Like all we need is an iron resource. We can do electronics pretty simply. And yeah, still no bridge here. Haven't done a bridge there. Yeah. No, that's fine. So we can oh. That was not a great wheelie to do. Actually, you know what? We should go to space parts first, probably. Yeah, think about it. Let's deal with whatever shenanigans are going on over here. Okay, what is going on with you guys? Oh, you need more motors, I think? Is that it? What do you need? Oh, you're full, actually. You don't need anything, you're just full. We only have so much of that. Okay. What does this need? Smart plating and motors. Do I have motors by Dimensional Depot? I have 6. Okay. Can't really pull out anything if I don't even have anything in there. At least we can go fetch the smart plating. We're almost done. A lot of this. Quickwire. Oh wow, you are. Wait, this is quickwire. I don't need quickwire. I need smart plating. Here, you can have that back. I need smart plating. Bunch of that, bunch of that, bunch of that. There we go. And I guess I need to go over and just start hooking everything up to dimensional depots. Oh, yep, there's the 50 plus the boulders that we need, so we don't need any more of that. Just need smart plating and motors for this one. Alright, well, there's your smart plating. Go nuts. Alright, let's start throwing some other stuff here to my dimensional depot. Just to clear some inventory space. Most of my inventory I can probably just, especially once we get all the dimensional depots hooked up, I can actually just grind it all off. Because I don't really need my inventory anymore. It's not necessary. Oh boy, that's a lot. If not even everything. Okay, I need to empty my inventory. Like right now, especially, having a more empty inventory gotta be nice. Let's go dump all this over into the space elevator. There we go. Space elevator, here I come. Okay, take all of that. Take that plus, cancel. I literally just need one. There we go. There, that's the only one you should take. And then take all of that, please. Thank you. Okay. Yep, like I said, where is my tractor? My tractor's over there. Oh, buddy, I almost got ran over. It was terrifying. Okay, I have a bunch of sulfur in my inventory. That can get ground up. Here's some wood. Here's some biomass. Actually, after this makes solid biofuel, it's split out into everything. I would like some solid biofuel to enter my dimensional depot. And it looks like the best place to pull it from is probably over here. Like, I don't need a ton, but it would be nice to pull a little bit. So there we go. That'll put some of the biomass stuff into my dimensional depot. You know what? Truck, come back here. You probably have some stuff in you as well, don't you? Or do I just have, like, everything in my inventory? Hey, bud. Oh, okay. Now let's just, yeah, let's just take all. Let's drive you over here. Closer to everything else. Because I need to kind of clear out your inventory. And do some other stuff with you as well. Thank you. Alright, you can have that. You can have that. Have a little bit of that. And a little more of that. Okay. That takes care of all that. We'll just quickly hook up turbo fuel. I don't really need, but hey, it's nice if I can just pull it from wherever I am in the world, no problem. There we go. Now we got turbo fuel in the dimensional depot. I'm gonna drop some of it from my inventory as well. Yeah, that should do good. Don't think I need anything from there. No. You two each need your own dimensional depot. So let's slap down. Oh, I need modular frames. Ha! Good thing we have a bunch right here. Actually, let's just steal 50. Get rid of you. Dimensional depot. Wire. Wire now too? This also has wire. That also has wire. Okay. You know what that means? Dimensional depot. Does this house all have wire? That also has wire. Okay, so I need to take a little bit, at least, in my inventory. Dimensional depot. Logistics conveyor. There we go. And how about another dimensional depot? Sticks Mark 3. There we go. Sweet. And how about a few more dimensional depots? Let's put one right there. One right there. And logistics. Splitter. Okay, I guess we have to put them pretty far upwards. Okay, you to here, you to there. There we go. And we have some of that in our inventory as well. Sweet. Okay. Next we need to cater them. Or well, not quick cater necessarily, but quick wire. We need quick wire next in our inventory. Honestly, I'm just gonna take from here. Organization, dimensional depot. Plop this down here. Do a little splitter over here. And feed that into there. There we go. Now I have access to so many materials. Oh, we never did plastics. Oh, that's not too sad. Do I have a, Okay, so I have an awesome sink here. But it's not real. Okay, so it's grinding nothing but screws. Alright, and okay, so we already have concrete already in the industrial depot thingy bobber. Yes, we do, I think. Hold on, I gotta cough. Dying, but only slightly. Okay, iron rods. We do not have iron rods or iron plate with the industrial depot or dimensional depot. Okay, one right there. One right there. How about another one? Reinforced plate, I don't think we have that one either. Rotors, don't have that one. We have wire. We have cable? Yeah, we have cable. Copper sheet, we do not have copper sheet. So we shall feed off of that one as well. Modular frame we have. Encased beam we don't have. Steel pipe and steel beam we also don't have. Oh, wait, I can... Ah. Okay. Actually, no, I have steel beam, don't I? Yeah, I do have steel beam. Steel pipe's the one I don't have. Sweet, so I can just do that. Sweet. Alright, so we can literally just go nuts. Feed like everything, almost everything in our inventory to the grinders now. Mark 4, let's go. Like, we can clear out our inventory. We don't need anything in our inventory now. It just pulls it from, like, interdimensional stuff. How sick is that? Don't need that, don't need that. Gas nobelisks, okay, hold on to all of that. Ah, it's most glorious. Because, yeah, now that's all pulling into there, which means we have lots of stuff. Yep, it's slowly filling up every one of those. Sheets, iron plate, so we just need stators. We need motors. Silica, rubber. Silica's going, we need rubber going. Yeah, these are also... Actually, no, I don't think AI limiter's connected. Stuff is going though. It makes me so happy. Alright, let's get the AI limiters and motors and stuff that we have over here going. It's also nice that I can just stack the dimensional depots just like right on top of the other ones. So I can just do this, and then we just do a little bit of conveyor. Backfeed those into there. Boom, done. Dimensional depots everywhere because I went and got a bunch of Mercer spheres. I need any more Mercer spheres though. I'm gonna have to travel a long ways to get them. Let's see. I guess the only other thing I need is explosives. Are we auto manufacturing those explosives, or can I? What does this need? Smokeless powder. Oh. 25. Wait a minute. Wait. We might be able to manufacture explosives at our place as well. Yeah, no, we definitely can. I think we're producing 75 smokeless powder. And we just need pipes, and I probably need to get more black powder going, right? Yeah. Oh, we can automate explosives. Oh. Okay, cool. We will want to go back to, are we... Okay, yeah, those loading up, that's loading up. Computers are full. These are all full. Copper sheets are going. Yep. Good. Computers going. We just need rubber. Rubber's the only one not going right now. Limiters are going. Quartz crystal is going. Steel pipe. Okay, good. So rubber is the only one we don't have, and that's just over there. Quickly
throw down a dimensional depot for that as well. Ah, sweet. Actually, ooh, there's even another factory thingy that we can hook up, and that's a factory that produces the, yeah, here's rubber. Where are we even taking this rubber? Oh, we're just taking it up top because we don't have room. Alright, that's cool. Sticks, conveyor belt mark. Oop, not conveyor belt, conveyor lift. There we go. It's feeding rubber into the system. Sweet. We literally have everything we could ever just at the palm of our hands. It is a most glorious thing. I am quite in love, if I have to say so. It's because I can just pull stuff from. I don't even need anything in my inventory. Well, I need a few things in my inventory, but like only the minimum. Almost everything else I can get rid of, and we can build literally anywhere else on the map to our heart's desire, content, to whatever other jazz that we need. That means we have access so much stuff now. It's pretty glorious, really. Being able to go literally anywhere on the map, build anything we want to, and have access to just all our materials at all times. I cannot tell you how happy I feel. Get rid of all those plastics, get rid of that, 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 get rid of that. Yeah, we're slowly clearing our inventory of all its junk. And wait for that to go, and then throw that in there, that in there, that in there. Almost clear. Some of the stuff we can just throw back in our truck because we don't really need it. But it is it is slightly important that we have some of this stuff on us. Like our truck can take a lot of this food back, and take slugs back, and hold on to these gas and obelisks for us too. Yeah, okay. Sweet. This is so great. So we want to go back to the mushroom place and do a couple things, honestly. There's our buggy. I think our buggy has some random junk in its trunk as well. I should also go check on space parts really quick. Oh, no, it doesn't. Okay. It is clear of everything. I've already removed all the junk. That's good. Oh, hit that rock. Excuse me. We're good. Okay, so this thing up here needs motors. We can give it plenty of motors because I can just grab all of the motors and feed it to it. Go, my beautiful, beautiful machine. Produce. Yeah, we only got 12 more. That's not a whole lot. Do we have enough of those framework thingies, though? I know there's a bunch more that we can now grab because we have an empty inventory. And there's more of those framework, first top frameworks. Yeah, I want to say we have everything we need. So I think we're just waiting on, what are those? Whatever those are.
We're waiting on them. And then we can complete phase 3 and unlock more stuff for more exciting things next week. Okay, this is... Because I have a feeling we're going to need to build a lot more factories. In other areas, for other things. And we are just set to just rock and roll. We have access to every single material we could ever hope. Well, correction. Not every single material because, well, we haven't discovered some materials. Like, we're not doing anything with uranium or aluminum yet. But we can easily access that and have it for whatever we need. It's right at the tip of our fingertips. Okay, give the system all that. Did it already fill back up with motors? How quickly does that fill up back up with motors? Oh yeah, it did. Alright. I guess, yeah, we should just take a pit stop, drop more motors off into that system. Then we drive back to the mushroom base to do some other little details. Mostly with automating. We want to automate explosives. It's something we need to automate. So we need to do that. And I need to build a system for automating the manual miners. There's some random ore veins there, so we could just build like a mini factory that just builds the automated miners. So that way we can just easily place down whatever we need. It's so glorious. Oh. How quickly does this fill up? Like, yeah, this is already getting pretty full. Alright, there's another 3 stacks. Where were you again? There we go, 2.5 per minute. Go nuts. There you go. 5 per minute. There. Now you're really fast. We'll definitely come reclaim this summer sloop. That stuff is hard to find. Seeing as how I only had like, I think less than 20, when I had like 80 of the Mercer spheres from those many hours I spent searching the map. But then again, my focus was mainly on the Mercer spheres, not really on the summer sleep. So, probably would be worthwhile to run around again and just focus on trying to find the summer sleep stuff. But yeah, let's go do explosives real quick. Let's see, question. Do I have any ammo yet? No ammo has popped into here. It's a little bit concerning, but now that we have access to just dump quick wire wherever we need to, we can do that as well. So let's go back to the mushroom facility and just start, well, dumping materials just everywhere. Whatever we need. Whee! Bottomed out. Truck actually has quite the stiff suspension. I mean, it probably should since it's the big beefy boy. Hey, man. Also, too, running around the map, there's some places I couldn't access just because I didn't have certain materials on me, or like, for hard drives, or I didn't have enough explosives on me for blowing stuff up. So just having unlimited access to that kind of stuff through the inventory would be great. Dimensional inventory. I have some friends that love playing Satisfactory as well. Like, I'm definitely going to be telling them, like, guys, the Dimensional Depot stuff is amazing. Because they haven't played in a while. I don't think any of them have actually played the 1.0 release yet. Okay, so, what do I need? I need metal pipes down there. Technically, actually, I could manufacture the explosives here, and then all I need to do is bring it down to there to do the converge thing to smokeless. I think that's all I need to do, really. There's some more black powder. Are you getting enough materials? Yeah, you are. I just need more of you doing things. Because that would help me if there was more than one of you producing all the materials that I need. Okay, looks like I could put a foundation there. Production assembler. Surface uneven even. Ah, fine. Some of the half foundations on the other side. Okay, there we go. And I guess I just need splitters. Will you go up here? Okay, you do. Yep. They're there. Cool. I want to nerf that a bit, so it more focuses it up top. Oh, okay. So it outputs to the fastest one. It has priority to the fastest conveyor. Huh. That's some interesting information. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Plastic smart plating. I like that. Charcoal? Sure. Let's just go with charcoal. And scan the next hard drive. Alright. Power. We want black powder to be producing here. And I need to somehow route it back, or can I route it underneath somewhere? Like, through the floor. Yeah, I technically could, couldn't I? Right here. Yeah, because there it is right there. Getting stuck. Okay, so what if we did grab a Mark III, took you, and just dropped you through the floor? What would that do? And where is that even at? It is over here. Where was that hole that I saw? Here. Okay, so it outputs it right there. Okay. Stick merger. Put that right there. Go over about 3 to there. There we go. It should be outputting much more black powder to here. How much is that actually? Hold on, I should check that just for the math. How much are you outputting? 30, so that's outputting 60 currently. I think we only need technically 50? Maybe more than that. Let me go check down below. And down I go. Because yeah, I could right there at the bottom, I could make easily a. Okay. So this needs black powder. Oh, only needs 20. I didn't even need to do that. Actually, no. Wait. I retract my statement. I did need to do that because I need the stuff. Yes. Words. I need to make the explosives first, load the explosives on train, take the explosives down below to process into the multi-explosive, the next tier up, then put that into my dimensional depot. That's it. Okay. This is steel. I need steel pipe. So I probably need more than one constructor. Actually, I just need one constructor and one is there a way I could do a half foundation? Oh, there is. Never mind, I think there is. Constructor, okay. It's a workout, kinda. Having some clearance issues, but that looks good. Okay. Logistics. Splitter, please. Just gonna steal some of that, if you don't mind. That's full. That's also full. Oh, jeez. Do I have any other power poles? No, I don't. Wow, okay. Where is that power pole going? Oh, it goes right there. Oh, because there's power right there. Alright, sweet. I can just take from that. There we go. You, my good sir. Steel pipe. And we need production assembler. So it puts 30. Obelisk. Oh, we only need 20. Okay, oh. Logistics. Oh, I'm being taken away. Oh, I'm being kidnapped by a conveyor. That needs to go there. That needs to go there. This will make Nobelisks as soon as I add power. There we go. Alright. Oh, sweet. Let's just... Is that... Ah, perfect. Okay, now I just need to... Train, are you here? Perfect. Great timing, Train. Queue, edit timetable, mushroom factory. I need to add Nobelisks to the list of allowed items. There we go. Save. Save changes. Okay, so now you should output. And gone. Okay. And so it should output Nobelisks to here too. I just need to do some micromanaging of some of the conveyor belts. Ouchies. Down here. Mostly... Okay, so... I need to grab the Nobelisks. And I need a spot where I can build up some platforms. What's going on? I need that go 3 up, please. Thank you. That wall. Come on, that wall. That wall. Foundation. Oop. Okay, that's kind of in the way. Foundation. Okay, I think. Well, not really thinking at the moment. Just kind of doing. So basically, my thought process is I need to have Noblest come through here, get filtered. I think that's kind of the most important point is I need them to get filtered as they come through here. This is definitely kind of becoming a mess on this side of things. So yeah, I need a logistics, I need a smart splitter. Right there. I need that to come up to here. Do I need that? I need 2 to come up here, don't I? Because I also should flood off any excess. Yeah, no, I don't need a smart splitter. I just need a regular splitter. No, God. No, I do need a smart splitter. Because center output should be black powder. The left output should also be black powder because this will be the black powder that will get trashed in an awesome sink. This one on this side needs to be just regular Nobelisks. There we go. Okay. We're figuring this out here. Alright. So, I need that conveyor to come up here on this side, I think. And over here. And we want a conveyor belt mark 3, come up. And straight across, please. That's more or less straight across, it's good enough. Okay, yeah, so we want to trash this mostly. Because we're getting too much of it. Like, we're actually getting, like, way too much. Like, 20 more units than we actually need. Anyway, so we need the Noblest to come up. And I guess just before it goes into an assembler, you need to trash it. You need to put the assembler probably way down here. But we also need the assembler to, actually, no, we're fine. Just need to slap it down a dimensional depot at this end. Because we basically just need to take any excess that we get and trash it. Sticks Mark 3, yeah, put that in there. This needs to become Cluster Nobelisk. Oh, we also need smokeless powder. Wait, you're not producing. Oh, because you have the 200 plastics, that also needs to get trashed. Okay. So I need to also take that up here and trash it. So yeah, we should probably place down the awesome sink real quick. It sounds like we have quite a few things that we just need to garbage. I can just hang off real quick. Oh boy. Logistics. This needs a merger coming into it. So this one over here, that one there. This needs to be deleted because we need to do stuff for that. Right? Yeah, we need to have a splitter on this side. That needs a feed. Oop, that needs a feed. Oop, that needs a feed. There. Okay, that feeds here. And that needs power. This is so complicated. Trying to figure this out. Okay, that should be probably a Mark II. This needs power. This cluster nobelisks. Okay, so that needs to just kind of filter itself so that we can get nobelisks to come through. And nobelisks will go there. They're gonna get partially trashed. How many nobelisks does this need? 7.5. I think that's less than that's producing up there, isn't it? How many nobelisks does this produce? I didn't even check that. This produces 10, so yeah, this is fine. This is like more than fine. Okay, so we have that. The last thing we need is actually to trash the plastics. I forgot about the plastics. Okay. That's simple enough. Grab conveyor belt, route conveyor belt this direction. Why are you angry? Jeez. Valid conveyor belt shape. Oh, now it's happy. There. Trash the plastics. We don't need the plastics. Trash the plastics. Let's convert this to Mark IV. There. Trash the plastics so we're always producing what we need here. Because I don't think we ever need any more plastics over here. Oh, never mind. I was wrong. I can already see that we definitely use the plastics over there. Yeah, I can see that we could definitely use the plastics over here. Yeah. Plastics are flowing through, but they're not flowing through at a higher rate. So, any more plastics we could donate to the cause over on that side of things would probably be worthwhile. So we'll just quickly run that over. Yeah, this will be interesting. Kind of run this around. Stacked conveyor belts. So let's just dupe. I think 3 is no. 4 is probably enough. 1, 2, 4. Just a little up and down. Across the track. I probably didn't really need to go too up and down with that, but oh well. Logistics, I need a merger over on that side of things. Seems like they'd be happy if there was one right about there. And one can go there. There we go. We're filtering our excess plastics over to there. Good. This is trashing stuff. Do we have nobelisks coming through yet? No, it's still grabbing black powder. I'm gonna go and check it real quick. Oh, there is no nobelisks here yet. There should be. We're just gonna let that filter for a moment. I feel like know what? Actually, let's do Mark 4. That way it can filter out even faster. Only problem is that needs to be Mark 4 too. There we go. Train, are you coming around? Because you should have the filter enabled that will allow you to drop off nobelisks here. Unless the train didn't grab nobelisks the first time around. That could be a possibility. I would have actually thought there would have been some in the system, but not. Oh well. You're producing smokeless powder. You producing that. What do you need? You're just eating high-speed connectors. That's your only downfall. I don't think I've seen a single high-speed connector come through here yet, though. Alright, well, last but not least, just need to add a bear splitter. Mark 3 conveyor, bring that up. And plop that right into there. Okay. So, oh, hey, this got some nobelisks in it. Sweet. So yeah, that should be making cluster nobelisks, which go into our dimensional depot. Which I should just throw some of these in here, because I don't need all of these in my inventory. Where is that going to be at? Is that the very bottom? Yeah, it is. 250 only. A little sad, but it's fine. Oh, could I like... Oh, wait, is that pin it or does that unpin it? That unpins it, okay. Alright, well, sweet. That should be more or less fully operational now. Yep, there's a bunch more of this black powder filtering through. Smokeless powder filtering through there. Good. Okay, everything is looking mighty fine. This is outputting... Oh, that's only outputting 20. Ooh. I need 10. What do you need, my good sir? You also need 10. Okay, oh, that's like perfectly fine. That is perfect. We don't need any more. Okay, nobelisks are filtering out. I saw that. Well, what is clogged here? Something's clogged. Is it copper sheets clogged? Oh. Wait, why aren't the copper sheets filtering? That copper sheet's going there. Yeah, limiters are... Oh, is it the eye limiters are clogged? Ah. Okay. Well, we can just do a little quick thing like that. Get rid of some other junk from my inventory real quick, too. Why don't we? And lastly, there we go. A nice clean inventory. We're not really doing anything with the AI limiters, are we? Now that I think about it. Are these smart splitters? No, they're not. I cannot swap them out. Dang it. I may want to dump. Yeah, limiters. Anyways, go ahead and take the rest as well. Keep dumping it into here.
I should get rid of it eventually.
I think I also have another dump over here that I can use.
Yes, I do. We'll take advantage of that. Oop, there we go. Sweet. Get rid of all the junk we don't need. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go over and feed this system a bunch of quick wire. Because it is struggling. Okay, where's my quick wire? I'll just take a bunch of that, if you don't mind. Dump you. Dump you. Dump you. You and dump into you. There we go. Okay, so now that should be going with the AI limiters, or not the AI limiters. The what's the name? High-speed connectors. There we go. You guys dump quick wire into these as well. Yeah. There. Be happy. A lot of cable. Cable's not getting overclogged, is it? Kind of is. We'll go ahead and just take a bunch of it. Just here, wrap it off in the grinders. Because yeah, all I'm really waiting for is just weapons to get done kind of producing. Once we have some munitions here in the system, that'd be great. I think we're just waiting for the high-speed connectors to kind of fill up. Manually crafting them probably isn't a solution, I'm gonna guess. I wonder, can I just like craft anything? Because, no. Oh, I can craft anything just because it's in my inventory. Alright, that's pretty slick. I like the system even more. So I could like, I could go eat lunch or whatever and just have something weighing down my mouse to keep crafting those. Alright, that's pretty cool. Man, the dimensional stuff is pretty great. I really should have researched it so long ago. I didn't, because I was just not interested in it, because I don't know why, honestly. Well, I wasn't interested in it, but now, oh, wow, I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee real quick. And that's the last of my coffee. I'm sad now. Oh, we need to get plastics filtering into the dimensional depot as well. Oh, okay, wait, we can do that real quick. I think this guy over here would probably be a great one to take from. Right? Oh no, there's plastics down here. No. Eh? Blah, blah, blah. No, we can just simply take from this guy that is sitting right here, full of plastics. There we go. Now I have plastics in my inventory. Ta-da! Alright. Everything is fan-flippantastic right now. Wires refilling, we have plastics now. Yeah, we don't even have this unlocked. I just got this from just finding them randomly around the world by the hard drive things, high-speed connectors. Yeah, all we're waiting for is this to fill up. Oh, we do have 20 homing rifle ammo, so it is making. Sweet. Yeah, I'm cool. So I guess we're more or less done with this place now. We just need to go back and finish the space parts. That's basically it. Yeah. Okay, well, I guess without further ado, let's go back to our truck and let's head back to base and continue with getting those space parts fed in. So that we can research, well, do that, and research whatever tier we need to. I wonder if it'll take the space, if the dimensional depot would also just feed into the researches that we need.
And like as soon as you can like mine SAM ore, just do it and just get the dimensional depots like as fast as you can. Oh, you know what I forgot? You know what I forgot? You know what I forgot? We can probably also do it back at base. Is there a free iron node? Not really, no. So we're taking from these iron nodes. You have these iron nodes over here. No, don't. Do, however, have a free iron node right down there. We need to make the automated manufacturing system for automated miners. Also, I should get rid of you gas guys. That went somewhere else that I was not intending. Just clear out all of this. Oop, I ran out of fuel. Of course. It's gas stuff. It's annoying to have it here. Kind of in my area for building. And just a few left. You over there can take one. You can also have one. And last one. There we go. Glorious. Okay, that clears that out. No other, like, parts that I missed here, right? Nothing I see. Because we already got this hard drive. Long time ago. Okay, so all we just need to do is build a manufacturer for the, automated miners. Where is that? Oh, it's this ore node right here. Yeah. Foundations. Yeah, we just need to, like... I don't think we need very much to do this with. Oh, see? This is why it's great to have dimensional depot stuff. I can just throw down foundations however I see fit. You guys are kind of a little obnoxious, though, I will admit. Production... Isn't it an assembler that I can make them in? Yes, right there. Automated miner. Steel pipe. Can't I make steel pipe from, like, iron? Yes, I can. 25 per minute. 4. Oh, okay. This really doesn't need that overkill of a setup. Wow. Alright. Yeah, it's just, like, I probably can run this whole thing off of just a single smelter. Then that single smelter needs to go into 2 separate constructors. One to make the metal iron sheets and one to make the steel pipe. Yeah, iron plate. There we go. Okay, so that takes care of that. And both of these just need to... give me this, please. Thank you. Do you mind? Of course you don't. Okay, production, we just need an assembler. Now. Would you guys really don't mind. Hey, 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 look at me, look at me. Okay. That was a little bit dumb to do. Just eat up and heal up. Okay, I don't need soup. Salt, please, thank you. Production assembler. Probably right about there. Yeah, and then I just literally just need a dimensional depot on this side of things. Huh. That is my last Mercer Sphere. So I probably do need to go out hunting for some more Mercer Spheres. That's not facing the right way. Yeah.
miners. I don't have any of the automated miners though. I still have to craft one. Or do I? I can automate it right now. Automate it right now, couldn't I? Because I could just take the steel pipe from my inventory and just feed it in. That's just automatically feeding in. And steel pipe. You have that. You have that. It seems if I destroy stuff, it puts it in my inventory. Slightly annoying. Wait, you have power. Did I not select your crafting recipe? I guess I didn't. Go, build. Build it. Build it and throw it in the dimensional depot. How long does it... Oh God, it takes it forever to build one. Oh no. Okay, okay, since it's only 2.5. There we go. Okay, now we can retrieve, like, all of this. Really don't need that to be doing anything. Give me my automated portable miner. Thank you. Insert. Production, miner mark 1. That way, a little bit of conveyor belt going into there. Power over there. Iron ingot. Okay, you gonna go? Come on. That iron going. How much iron ingots? This is producing 30 iron ingots. Which is enough for this one. Oh, that needs a lot more. Okay. It's not going to be a fast system, but it never really needed to be a fast system because I don't need, like, a ton of these, but it's just kind of nice to have. But there we go. Have portable miners going. High-speed connectors is still filling up. We still have homing ammo being made. Sweet. Okay, so that's the last thing I needed. Now we can go back to base and finish space parts. Hopefully. Have a whole lot of time left on us. So we'll see what we can do for space parts. Because we need space parts to finish so we can do more exciting stuff next week. Yeah. Almost done with the game. On like the home stretch of stuff, especially now that we have access to any material we need to the dimensional depot. Like, oh, that is gonna be fantastic. I basically, honestly, wherever I build a base at, I kind of do need just an awesome sink where I can just trash my materials. Since it doesn't put the materials back into the dimensional depot, which might be a thing because it's automatically filling it constantly. But, like, it's not a total downside. It's a little annoying, but man, is it great. And let's get space parts. Space parts is all we need. And then we unlock whatever exciting stuff is next. Oh, I wonder what it'll be. I have a feeling it might be aluminum. I wonder if it'll also be nuclear power or not. Nuclear power will be an interesting one. It's like, you don't really need nuclear power, especially with the shenanigans going on over at our mushroom base. Like, if I connect the power of the mushroom base to the power of this place, probably wouldn't need electricity for a long time. Yeah, I guess we are kinda getting close. I mean, it'll settle back down once we like stop using things here. It's just kind of going a little crazy because we connected up all the dimensional depots, so it's actually like needing to produce a bunch of materials now. Alright, let's go up above, up here, and check out our, what is that, motors? What are these things? Modular engines, okay. That's another 100. So we're getting closer. You still need more motors though, right? Or what do you need now? Smart plating, okay. We'll fetch that. Everything else we can kind of reconnect back up to the awesome sink. And trash again. Yeah. Like, we don't need the versatile frameworks anymore. So you can empty out now. We don't need the automated wiring anymore. So you can also empty out now. Oh boy, I better upgrade that to Mark IV now. Air belt lift Mark IV. There we go. Yeah, that's just a bunch of junk that we don't need anymore. Trashed. Good. Smart plating. Okay, that should be the last of the smart plating that we need. So, junk the rest of that. Oh yeah, we have our buggy over here. Right. I left for that, didn't I? Yeah, what? Did you produce anything more? Okay, we can just throw you into the awesome sink. Don't need any more, you. Okay, here. Here is your smart plating. We'll have fun with that. I need to go dump some stuff into the space elevator project. So yeah, we definitely, if we just wait a few more minutes, we will have everything to do phase 3 of the space elevator. Heck to the yeah. So excited. What's next to unlock? Okay. Oh, you are full of that. That's kind of a problem. Okay, well, that's a solvable problem. Just get rid of any versatile frameworks you don't need anymore. Mark III, back. Alright. So now that's unloading that. We have a bunch of other stuff to junk. Machine, storage. It's nice to have multiple areas where I can just... Oh, that's a splitter. Perpendicular, that's not a merger. Okay. That was all? Oh, I only had about 100. So yeah, okay. For some reason I was thinking we were much closer than that. Ah well, that's fine. Hold on, this is still Mark 1 through here. Trash that, trash that, trash that, trash that, trash that, that, and that too. Cute. Do I have any? I don't have any more Mercer spheres on me. I was thinking, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to like automate
gas masks either. What do gas masks even take? Oh. I can't automate gas mask production. Really? Nope, it's here. Oh, okay, so it needs metal sheets, coal, and fabric. Okay. Question, do I even have coal anywhere over here? I think I really do. I have compacted coal. I guess if I got like another different version of the crafting recipe, that would be kind of nice. And then fine black powder, compacted coal, that bolted frame. That still requires reinforced iron plates. Rescan. Rubber and petroleum coke. Huh. That's an interesting recipe. I think I was prepared for that one. Ah, delicious. Okay. So yeah, probably just... Oh, because I don't have... Oh, because I never hooked up fabrics to the thing. Oh no! There's definitely no Mercer spheres in this area. I have cleaned that out. Okay. So I guess before next week, I need to go fetch some more Mercer spheres. Yeah, we can. Cause yeah, I didn't connect up fabrics. Okay. And I guess I just need to connect up regular old coal too, of all things, to the well, dimensional depot. Oh, two of them that we couldn't fit through. All right, so that's interesting. Yeah, I highly doubt there's any Mercer spheres here. There's nothing. I have cleaned this area out. Been to so many places. And I think the only place I haven't really been to is up there. So there's probably a good, quite a few Mercer spheres that I could easily collect from that area up there. The red forest, because I'll try and avoid that place as much as possible. For minute 26, yeah, that's gonna take a hot minute to craft another 168. Yeah, 168 is all we need left. I guess real quick we can take a little adventure. Let's go grab some missions from our mission depot. Yeah, I don't have a ton of that. Is the high-speed connectors are still not full. Yeah, this is... Oh, is this... Oh, that's just regular coal. Okay. I think I could steal it from there. I definitely could steal a coal from our coal depot place over here. Quite easily. So that's not really too much of a problem. Alright, let's keep this open. And hopefully there's just a Mercer sphere or two just kind of like right up here, top of the hill. Again, I haven't really been up here just because it's pretty dangerous up here. A lot of this area up top too is... Oh, there we go. There's one. Right over that way, too. Unless it's on top of this area. You'll recharge, and up we go. Yoop. Out of range for that Mercer Spear. Yeah, it's gotta be over that way somewhere. Have you ever been on top of this rock? Oh, it's Sam. I didn't mean to mind that. Don't mind if I do. Yeah, having pure Sam though. Interesting. Okay. Alright, so we do know that there is something over there. Yeah, see, this is what you have to deal with up here a lot. Just a lot of radioactivity. I don't really want to mess with those guys. Especially because I don't have like a ton of ammo right now. Radioactivity is really obnoxious. Nope, it's just over this way. Mercer here. Where are you? Ah. Okay, you are easy to deal with because you're not the really bad one. Oop. A little explosion. Here, take that. Miss me, miss me. Whoop. You're dead. Little flying guys got to me. It's okay. I can kind of outrun them. Oop, I missed. Okay. Now to get the flying guys. Ta-da! What you gonna do now, buddy? Oh, I missed. Here, take a present with ya. Just give me this, give me this, give me this, because before the other guy launches his stones at me. Whoop, we're out. Freedom! Yep, there is a stone that he launched. Yeah, there's just so much stuff here. There's also like a ton of radioactivity, which is not fun. Is it right there? It is right there, and there's of course the spider things as well. Oh, and we have radioactivity cat as well. Oh, that's not great. That's not great. That's not great. I'm gonna die. Oh, run away, run away, run away, run away. Run away. Okay, yep. There's a lot of dangerous stuff up here. Oh. Coal, nice, cool. I'm out. I skedaddle. That cat is chasing me really hard, though. If he's chasing me, could I have a chance to sneak in and grab that? Oh, nope. Radioactive cat is still there. No. There's no safe chance of getting that Mercer Sphere. Don't have any food on me either. Oh, now I do. Hold on, we may have a chance here. I just gotta eat. Get away and I gotta eat. Nothing's chasing me, right? Okay, we're good. Eat real quick, recover some health. That did barely anything. Is there anything more nutritious around here? Anything at all? One barrel, that's nice. Oh, there's a second one. Don't mind if I do. Can we have third barrel nut? No. Okay, now I have health to deal with things. Well, unless I die by my own shenanigans. Always a strong possibility. Who's up there? Oh, it's just a slug. Okay, we need to duck. I kind of... Oh, okay. You guys are very much still alive. Here, just, I'm gonna toss these all over the floor. Oh. Here, just take like all of them, please. Nope, you guys are over here more? Here. Take a bunch of them. Nope. Nope. That triggered them all. That triggered them all. Okay, that one's gone. Okay, we got it. Beautiful Mercer Sphere is all ours now. Thank you.
Harvest.
Oh, what? Okay, we have 2 more Mercer Spheres. Exactly what we needed. So, we're going a little bit of overtime because I don't know how to quit. Here are lots of little cats. Oh, okay, there's 2 big cats over there too. Alright. Right down below us should be our call node is down there. This place, huh? Got a real big area up here. Interesting. Oh, hey, man, research done. Cool. All right. Call node stuff is right down here. Let's go. Is that a split? Are these? Is this a splitter, isn't it? Yes, it is. That is perfect. You know what we can do with that? We can plant down a dimensional depot. Boom. Now we have coal. This last thing I need is fabrics. I don't think anything I need to manually craft. It's much else. It's iron stuff there. I'll definitely need to collect more Mercer Spheres before next time, because whatever materials we research, I'm sure we're going to need to add those to our dimensional inventory. Probably be some good stuff to add. The best would be to get some nuclear nobelisks going on at some point. We'll have to manufacture that when we get to that point in time. Okay, there's our chemical stuff. I don't need that. I just want to check in on space parts here again. See how things are going. It's only been a few minutes, so there probably shouldn't be too many of those modular motors. Definitely next time I'll have to finish up phase 3 of the space elevator. Will be great. It'll be fantastic. Actually, quite a bit more than I thought. That's a good thing. More, so yeah, we're only probably down to about 100, less than 100 more that we need. 5 per minute. Yeah, no, we're kind of right on the last little bits. Finally. Alright. Here you go. Take that. And I need to go put a dimensional depot on the fabrics. Wait, this is fabrics. Why do I have fabrics going out here? Is that not even connected? Oh no, that's 2 different. Oh, that's not a double one. That's 2 different ones. Herp-de-dur. It's 2 different storage containers all stacked on top of each other. I was thinking that those were connected somehow. No, that isn't how that works at all. There we go. Now we're getting fabrics. Yeah, I can't do it. Dang it. Okay, well, we can just trash that simply. Okay. Yeah, 410, so we're just 90 away from getting what we need. Okay, so 90 times 90 divided by 5 would probably give us our time that we need. 90 divided by 5 per minute. Is that just, oh, that just takes 18 more minutes for that to have the final. Okay. Yeah, no. We're gonna end here now, and then next week we'll have whatever is in phase 3. I think it's 2 research things, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see here. Yeah. 2 that I don't know what they are. Cool, and we have researched everything else. Great, great, great. So yeah. You're locked. Well, I'll just need those 2. And I guess probably should work on getting unlocked phase 4 of the space elevator. Whatever that requires. Hopefully nothing too crazy. I guess we'll see. But yeah, I guess we'll end there. So yeah, next week we get some exciting stuff. Actually, you know what? We'll end off because my ADHD and all the other things I have knows absolutely no bounds of how to focus on the task at hand. Can't see anything back here. Throw those in there. Have all of this, please. Take it all. Thank you. Give me, wow, already 36 coupons. Must be from a lot of the space parts. What left do we have to buy? Yeah, we don't need any of that. Trophies or whatever. Purchased all of that. Sure, we'll buy all of that. Oh, buy all of that. That bring us up to 14. We purchased all the foundations, all the walls. We have not purchased all the architecture yet, though. How much is that? It's 41. That's more than we can purchase. Okay. I'll back off a little bit. Okay. That's 33. It's 33. 3 more. 1, 2, 3 of those. Health pack things. Those are pretty great to have. Alright. There we go. Bunch more stuff. Okay. Now I think I'm satisfied to end off. So, yeah. Next week we'll finish the phase 3 of the space elevator. And then we'll do whatever we need to do for phase 3 of research stuff. Should be pretty exciting. Oh, this is starting to get to a point where it's starting to use some of the power. I just noticed that out of the corner of my eye. Oh, because the consumption is starting to become more than the capacity a little bit as it does things. Hopefully that won't be too much of a problem. So, yep. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I will see you all again next time. Enjoy your rest of your day / evening, depending on where you are in the world. Take care, and yeah, next week. Phase 3, baby. Let's go. See ya. Take care, and bye-bye.